Best non-stick frying pan 2020. Even eggs dare not stick to these Teflon dons. From flipping pancakes to frying eggs, avoid potentially sticky situations with our list of the best frying pans. With home cooking being one of life's pleasures, and everyone suddenly having more time and need to do it, owning a great non-stick pan has never been more essential. We all know the struggle is real when it comes to frying anything. Not only does food sticking to the bottom mean it tends to burn, but it can also make cleaning a living hell. However, with the best non-stick pans, you can improve your meals and reduce the effort involved in cleaning up afterwards. We've gathered the best non-stick frying and sauté pans for your convenience. You can thank us later when you're enjoying your scrambled eggs without having to leave the pan soaking in hot water and bicarbonate of soda. Want to hang on for a potential pan bargain? Check out our Amazon Prime Day hub. They're all robustly constructed, usually with the non-stick applied to aluminium or stainless steel, with comfortable, oven-safe handles. Most non-stick pans claim to be dishwasher-proof, but then add that years of dishwasher cleaning will adversely affect them. So in other words, no, they are not. If you really want to ever take advantage of that 10-year, 20-year or lifetime guarantee that many come with. On the other hand, if you're happy with 5 to 10 years of use and prefer the convenience of dishwashing, go ahead. Most are, so long as the handle isn't made of non-oven proof plastic or wood. Each pan's packaging will usually detail what the maximum oven temperature you can get away with is. A better question might be, are they induction hob ready? If a magnet doesn't attach firmly to the base, the answer is no. Simple, don't clean them in a dishwasher. And don't subject them to extreme heat, i.e., above 180, in the oven. Or on your hottest burner at full whack. That's true whether you're using induction, gas or ceramic. Non-stick pans are really designed for use on low to moderate heat. The best ones conduct heat so well that this is all they need. You can turn the heat right up for short periods to sear meat. But for maximum longevity, don't do this for more than a minute or so. Use a cast iron pan instead if you're into ultra-manly, mega heat-based cooking. A happy side effect of cooking on a slightly lower heat is that cleaning is much easier. So you can do it by hand. With more expensive pans you can practically get away with a quick wipe with a tea towel after some meals. Oh, and for God's sake, don't turn up the burner so flame or the edges of a halogen hob extend beyond the base of the pan. That's like farting in a lift. With an induction hob, you can't heat beyond the edge of a pan. So they're fully safe in that respect. Like most things Le Creuset, this shallow frying pan pays back its cost with years of delicious food and hassle-free cleanup. Made of hard anodized steel and coated both inside and out with a new ultra-durable 3-layer reinforced non-stick surface. It heats up rapidly and evenly, and cooks up a storm at Le Creuset's recommended medium temperatures. In fact, the manual drums home the message that it should rarely be used for long periods on a high heat because A, it isn't necessary, and B, it damages the non-stick coating. The Le Creuset is compatible with all hobs, including induction, and it's oven-proof too. Its riveted stainless steel handle, meanwhile, is well shaped for an easy grip and it stays surprisingly cool. Although not if you put it in the oven. Of course, use a glove. The pan is also well balanced and not too heavy for shuffling back and forth over the heat source. While the shallow, gently sloping edge makes it really easy to flip eggs and pancakes using a spatula, or turner as they're more commonly known. As usual with this type of pan, Le Creuset says it's dishwasher safe but then advises you not to put it in the dishwasher. However, with its extra thick non-stick coating, it's a cinch to rinse and wipe clean. You could use this pan for years and, if looked after, it'll remain almost as good as new. Top buy, if you like the look of the Le Creuset at one, but don't want to pay that much for a frying pan, then the Tefal Expertise frying pan is a fantastic alternative that won't break the bank. This is one of the best non-stick frying pans for everyday use because it is extremely durable, thanks to titanium excellence technology. Yet is also affordable and easy to look after. Experienced chefs may poo-poo the thermospot technology, which tells you when your pan is at the optimum temperature for cooking. But it is bloody handy. Unlike cheaper Tefal pans, The expertise range is induction compatible. The pans are also easy to clean. And Tefal is so bullish about their longevity it even claims they are safe to use with metal utensils. I would not do that, personally. But they are very well made for the price. Tefal Ideal is a cheaper range from Tefal that has pans to suit anyone who doesn't want to cook at very high temperatures or on induction. The model pictured here is called the One Egg Wonder, so you can probably guess what it's for. But Tefal has a cheap non-stick pan to suit most needs. The egg-specific Ideal One Egg Wonder costs under £10, and whether you like them sunny side up or over easy, this non-stick miniature pan can make the perfect egg in minutes. It's surprisingly versatile. 2. You can start your cooking on the hob and finish in the oven up to 180 degrees Celsius. And if treated well, the non-stick coating is protected by a lifetime guarantee. Some home chefs love every pan they use to be non-stick. That's not exactly a purist's point of view. But there's nothing wrong with embracing easy clean convenience. While I would recommend a larger cast iron or enameled grill pan for most hob grilling purposes, if you must have a non-stick one, this stellar griddle is as good as it gets in the non-stick realm. Large enough for steaks that aren't brontosaurus sized. This has well-raised, sharp grill lines to sear, while the tough non-stick coating makes flipping food and cleaning afterwards easy. Comes with a lifetime guarantee and works with all hob types including induction. A sauté pan like this excellent 24 cm forged aluminium offering from US giant Circulon cooks and fries just like a shallow frying pan. But its higher sides and lid mean you can shake it back and forth more vigorously without ingredients spilling over the edge. Consequently, it's perfect for everything from sauces and searing meats to sautéing, stir-frying, vegetables. It's also a handy shape for scooping out small runaway ingredients like mini vine tomatoes and fried chorizo pieces. Part of the Ultimum range. This one is constructed with 3 layers of premium non-stick coating while the reinforced steel base ensures even, speedy cooking. It's dishwasher safe, oven safe up to a commendable 260 C and induction hob compatible. 2. This eco-friendly fryer from Greenpan is a good all-rounder. Its thermolan coating means that this pan is free from lead, cadmium and other chemicals that you may be concerned about. It still keeps its hard anodized base and wipe clean finish inside and out. And it's suitable for all hob types. Robert Welch produces some of the most elegant kitchen equipment on the market, and this superb 24 cm skillet is a case in point. Constructed entirely from high-quality mirror-like stainless steel, the base is a 3-ply mix of copper and stainless steel. The heavyweight Camplin transfers and retains heat exceedingly well, which means you can fry stuff at much lower temperatures. Its ceramic non-stick coating is excellent. 2. And guaranteed for 10 years. No question. This pan looks £1,000,000, but be mindful that its outer surface is easily tarnished by too wide a flame. So keep it away from the wok burner. But then we already told you that in the intro. If you have a very large gas or induction hob, and you like to sear at high temperatures but still require a non-stick lining, this could be the pan of your dreams. It looks at a glance like a grill pan, similar to the Stellar at 4. But this one is more lightly ribbed. For your pleasure, the non-stick is a diamond-cut titanium coating, which I must admit is not something I've encountered before. It's not as slippery as Teflon-type coatings, but it does give very good results and feels like it will last for years. The pan as a whole is extremely robust. In fact, Samuel Groves describes this, and the range it comes from, as a professional pan, and that refers not just to the build quality but also the handle, which is extremely long, almost to the point of being ridiculous if you have a standard size oven and 60 cm hob. This mid-priced 25 cm French skillet, that's another word for deep frying pan, is just the right size for a pair of almond-crusted Gressingham duck breasts or a decent serving of sautéed veg. It's quite a looker too, with its dark bronze pigment and comfy grip rubber wood effect handle. The shell of the Advanced Plus is made from hard anodized aluminium coated in metal utensil-safe non-stick Teflon, while the sturdy stainless steel base ensures suitability for all hobs, including induction. It'll also happily handle oven temperatures of up to 200 C. This is an efficient, keenly priced option that heats quickly and is just the right size for smaller hobs. A bargain, no less. If you're a fan of flipping pancakes, then this is the frying pan for you. A clever combo of steel and aluminium means that the Scanpan feels impressively heavy-duty, yet light as a feather to handle. Its special, stay cool, stainless steel handle looks stylish, but won't singe your hands, and you can use any utensil with it, even those made of metal. It boasts a green tech coating, meaning this one is also free from chemicals. If you think that all non-stick frying pans look the same, then this one will brighten up your kitchen in an instant. Not all about color though. This is yet another chemical-free non-stick frying pan that is leading the way in more environmentally friendly cooking. So, if you're an eco-warrior but can't afford the Scanpan or Greenpan, this is the one to get. Plus, its high-quality anodized aluminium construction reduces risk of hot spots, meaning you get a truly even cook. Our final choice, the Tower Serasia Color Change Fry Pan, shares the Tefal expertise's color changing technology for optimum safety when cooking. So if you like the idea of the thermospot technology but the Tefal was just out of your price range, this one comes in at a more reasonable price and we highly recommend it. The largest pan is great for those man-sized portions, whereas the smaller pan is perfect for students to practice foolproof frying. Text source, t3.com.